Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Land Rover Freelander. From any screen over to nav, the nav button. Now, if I was doing that for the first time, it would ask you to accept the well, actually, let me just turn that off. Start the car again. So we want the easiest way to put a destination in, of course, if you go to home menu, you've already got a quick destination entry button there, so you can go straight to it. But if not, onto nav, and there you go. You have to agree that it's not going to cause any distraction. That's just showing that it's recognised my phone. So you've got to agree there, agree. And then destination entry. Postcode's easiest. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now it's defaulted to numbers, which not everyone does. 5, 4, and a lot of systems, if there's only 2 digits in the postcode, you have to put a space in the middle, but the Land Rover one you don't. So we're PR5 4J, and we want S, and then PR5 4JS. That's it. So we click OK, and then we click Go. Destination's been set, PR5 4JS, and it's just calculating it. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.